Vlogmas lady. Welcome back. Today, if you guys are from San Diego, if you're not, maybe you've seen on TikTok. We are at the Lafayette Hotel, and they decorate it so cute for Christmas. This is already an amazing hotel, but like for Christmas, we are here. It is very much a Tuesday night. Are we gonna get a drink though? Either way, of course. 100%. Let me show you guys my quick little outfit before I show you guys a tour around this beautiful hotel. I'm wearing this top from Zara.
Wait, I'm gonna get closer.
Oh, okay, ankles. It is so gorgeous. I got told to do a little tour. My jeans are also from Zara. And my heels, pointy ass heels, are also from Zara. My bag is Anthropology. I've actually been getting asked where this is from after my little Disney trip. Get the fuck out. Guess who I'm here with? Ooh. Wait, I can't walk that much. I'm sore.
I'm sorry. No other than the one and only
Miss Miranda. Show us your outfit, lady.
top Andreas Colazzi. I'm
Zara.
Jeans, sexy ones you're wearing. I'm pretty sure.
I stole them.
Steve Madden bag. No other than Sadiq.
Sadiq.
And
Mama's Gucci. Ooh. Party in the USA. So our objective is to find a cute place.
objective? Is that the right word? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Our goal for tonight is to find a cute place to take pictures, but like it's low-key. Well, it's not packed compared.
Wow, it's shut the fuck up. It's pretty much full.
Yeah, it's full. It's very much like, aren't you guys at work? We have to find a cute place to take pictures. Objective for it to be Christmassy, because like we can come here all year round. Wait, not all year round. Not all year round.
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas. And then
wait, what's that Ariana Grande? Wait, get your ass in here. Oh, Black Yana. Please add it to it. That's my juice.
Objective number 2, get amazing picture. And then 3, get a drink.
Because I'm hungry.
Oh,
So we're gonna drink.
they're literally playing spooky. Hey.
In the what video?
There we go. Now insert the. Literally right where the little section is, which the time we were here there was a line full of people, so they could probably see us, but this is exactly where we took pictures and they came out bomb. So what is this? It's so gorgeous.
I'm like 2 different floors, so
I know, like it's so woman. No, seriously, why are there so many men here? Did you see the TikTok of like a guy being like, if you see girls post up at the Lafayette, they're not your girl.
and nobody's good.
And I was like, yeah, bitch, they're not your girl for a reason. My man dropped us off. Her man is picking us up. The Christmas jungle. Literally see how many people are here. I'm intimidated. I am sitting down at a table. Miranda went to go see if we can get drinks or not because all the lines are full. We were taking pictures and this guy came and sat on our seat. And I could tell he had attitude. And like, I guess he was like, these girls really just set their stuff down so they could get pictures. Yeah, and we got to our table fast. Sorry about it. I think we just found a little nook where we can take more pictures. Oh, I was right. More pictures. Be prepared to be sick of me. Ooh. Bro, we're scared. Like we're taking pictures like on the doors, and we're scared. Imagine like it just opened and we just eat shit. More pictures. This with a drink.
Okay.
Alright, now get like a cool, like kind of from like the top end. That's a workout, sisters. Pictures were taken. My boyfriend's about to pick us up again, and we're gonna go to another bar. Unfortunately, we're leaving because it is so packed and we're overstimulated. But tell me this is a beautiful vagina. Let's go.
Thank you.
Am I a YouTuber in the wild? Help us! Help us! Why the fuck are you laughing?
Are you recording?
Yeah, this is spot number 2. Swan Bar Swan, whatever it's called. Cute. This is our next location. Let's see how it goes for us. Remember, I'm like shaking. I like remembered it's a Tuesday night. Like, what are we doing? Go home. Honestly, this is our party for us finishing school this week.
Hey, pretty much.
Hey. Okay, guys, we made it to a bar. I guess number 2. I just ordered a mojito. I'm looking.
Why did you say again?
Because Lafayette is like, is it really a bar? I don't know, guys. I'm just trying to be honest here. I ordered a mojito. I'm kind of confused. This doesn't really look like a mojito to me, but we'll see. It is a mojito.
It is?
Yeah. Ooh. I also kept my tab open. Did you?
I closed mine, but I can always open up another.
It's really good. It's really strong. They want to get me drunk. Miranda ordered a ranch water.
I remember thinking, I'm about to beat this bitch up.
That's a shot. That's a shot.
Okay, I'm gonna try Andreas mojito. Or so I would say mojito. That's good. It actually does taste like minty, even though I was gonna say where's the mint. Ranch water for the win though. Delicious.
Me and I look chopped. Me and Miranda's second fight of our friendship happening right now. She just called her boyfriend her best friend. I would never do such a thing. Defend yourself.
First of all, now I look chopped. Clarify, guys. I said male best friend.
She said male best friend after I went.
Because, like, you know, when you slip up a little bit. Let me say what it really meant.
I am taking bestie applications because I am being replaced. Yeah.
Even funny.
I've got a real.
That's messed up.
Guys,
Take it back.
No, guys, look how much. Wait, look how much I've drank, and I'm already feeling. She's telling me to take it back, bro.
Yeah, take it back.
No.
Okay, find another bestie to go to Europe with you.
No, guys, I'm actually scared of her because her eyes are like really blue, and they scare me sometimes. It gives me Addison Rae's mom.
I need a bestie. Boyfriend, I'm nervous. What would you do with my hair just to let off my
Look how much I've drank, and I'm already feeling it. That's insane. It's insane, but let's go.
What are you doing?
Stay hydrated. Hydrated. Me drinking this like I'm not broke right now. I can't afford another drink. Drink your drink.
I'm gonna have them like listen to my goals. My drink is looking hella strong, guys.
I'm telling Miranda how my drink is starting to taste like water. It's getting dangerous, and it's the first drink. Cheers, girls. Done. Your turn. Failure.
With all due respect, this is probably the worst drink I've ever had in my life.
We don't care, drink it. We're back and we got our second round, second probably final round. I'm down to do like finish it off with a shot. Cause I'm down to do this one and then like a shot and then that's it. But like that's just me. I ended up getting another mojito, so let me do a taste test to make sure it's not poison before I give it to you guys, obviously. Oh my, that's stronger than the last one. Miranda got a new drink. She got a Christmas style drink.
So right in front of me, I've got what some would call a Krampus cooler. Krampus cooler. I don't know what's that.
Guys, we just got some fries. Look at how yummy-licious these look.
I needed this.
Our Uber, as in aka Miranda's boyfriend, is picking us up very, very soon. So we low-key need to chug. You think I'm wasting my money? Holy shit. No way.
I know, I'm like breathing. It kind of tastes like candle. I don't know what it tastes like.
Guys, are we fat or are we
Wait,
fat?
that was like, we're not gonna finish these. It was a lot.
Yeah, you should have not left those fries by themselves.
Look, you lot.
We're leaving besties. We just finished. Bro, hello.
Maybe in the vlog?
No. This is your first time picking us up.
Not my car.
Okay.
Did you guys drink?
We had like, we might be like,
We had 3 shots.
no, we did not.
This is his inauguration song.
Like I'm in the David Dobrik vlog.
Including the night, guys.
Ta-ta, my friends.
No.
Can they see my boyfriend's face? Should I gatekeep him?
Goodbye, guys. Oh my god, I'm so sore. I'm obviously gonna take off my makeup and get ready for bed, but I'm sorry, not with you guys, because I think it's gonna take me like an hour. I'm doing everything very slowly because everything's moving weirdly right now. Love you guys.